Are you ready to streamline your site inspections? The Axis Site Inspection Checklist using eAuditor is your comprehensive solution. Discover how it enhances safety, quality control, and compliance. Begin by opening eAuditor on your device. Navigate to Templates and create a new template. Choose a blank template to start fresh. Add fields for site name, location, date, and inspector name. These fields ensure each inspection is properly documented. Examine site conditions to ensure cleanliness and safety. Verify equipment installation for security and integrity. Check cabling for proper routing and labeling. Ensure safety compliance with PPE and signage. Lastly, confirm documentation accuracy and approval status. Use eAuditor to add photos for visual evidence. Write detailed comments on defects and improvements. Collect digital signatures to verify completion. These steps enhance the credibility of your inspection. They also ensure all findings are well documented. Review all checklist items thoroughly. Tap Complete Inspection to finalize the process. Export the report as a PDF for records. Save it as the official inspection record. This ensures compliance and readiness for audits. The checklist ensures consistent inspections every time. It helps in early detection of risks and hazards. Clear documentation supports follow-up actions and audits. It maintains quality, safety, and compliance at every site. This tool is essential for efficient site management. The Axis Site Inspection Checklist with eAuditor is a powerful tool. It ensures thorough inspections and compliance. Enhance your site management with this structured approach.